So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Jericho Apor. So, I'm going to memorize the rule 132, presentation of evidence. Section 1, examination to be done in open court. Examination done in open court. The examination of a witness. Examination of a witness presented in a trial or hearing shall be done in open court. And under the oath of affirmation, unless a witness is incapacitated to speak, or the question